Hi, I'm your name, a digital marketing expert, and today I'm sharing 5 tips to help grow your business online. Tip 1. Know your audience. Understanding who your customers are is the key to creating marketing that actually works. Research their age, interests, and online behavior to target them effectively. Tip 2. Run paid ads smartly. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads are powerful, but only if you target the right people and set clear goals. Don't just boost posts randomly. Tip 3. Content is king. High-quality content builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Use videos, posts, and stories consistently to connect with your customers. Tip 4. Track everything. Use analytics tools to see what's working and what isn't. Optimize your campaigns based on data to improve performance and ROI. Tip 5. Focus on conversions. Getting traffic is great, but converting that traffic into customers is what really matters. Optimize landing pages, calls to action, and sales funnels for better results. If you want help growing your business online, I can create strategies that bring real results. Contact me today, and let's take your business to the next level.